Hi friends, in this video we will see another important built-in methods, set interval and the set timeout. First we will see the set timeout. Set timeout is a built-in method in the window object. So set timeout, what it will take is, it will take anonymous function and it will take here the number of milliseconds. I will explain you what it will do. So 2000 milliseconds, that means 2 seconds. Now what I will do, I will try to print the hello. Now what this set timeout will do is, so what this set timeout will do is, set timeout will run in between this function. This function will be ran after 2 seconds. Okay, so for example, if I have console.log running, okay, I have runs after 2 seconds. Okay, you check here, this the code what we have written in this anonymous function will run after 2 seconds. So if we check here the output, so running has became after 2 seconds, we got the runs after 2 seconds. So whatever the code inside this set time mode will run after the 2 seconds. Okay, this will be very useful when we are using the animations, or we need to fire an event after some 2 seconds or 4 seconds, or we need to show some dialog box or model dialog after 5 seconds or something like that. If you want to show anything, this code will be very useful. This set timeout will be very useful. This is the method in the window object itself. And another one what we have is set interval. Set interval is also the same, it's also present in the window object. It will take the function, anonymous function, and it will run, for example, let's say 500 milliseconds. That means for every half second. What we'll try to do is, I will try to print the hello. Okay, what this one will do is, set timeout runs the code after 2 seconds, but this set interval will run every time this function will be executed for every half second. So that means if I clear this one, if I run here, I will be able to see hello, 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 that for every half second this code is executing. If I clear this one, then also it executes. So we will remove this code, we'll clear and we'll run. Okay, now it got stopped. So set interval and set timeout, you need to understand the difference between those two. Set timeout will run, the function will be executed after the milliseconds it has mentioned. Only once it will execute, that also after that millisecond, after that time. And set interval will run multiple times for every the seconds, how many seconds we have given, like this. And also one thing, we set interval, if we need to stop the set interval after some time or something like that, we can stop that one also. We can use, for example, var interval. We will be storing this one in the var interval, and what we will do is, we will write the set timeout here. Okay, so set timeout function, and I need to 3000, I will write the 3000. So this function block has to execute after 3 seconds. And now what I will do is clear interval. This one is also method present in the window object. Clear interval of, we need to pass that set time interval variable. Okay, so this variable we need to pass into the clear interval, so that it will clear the set time interval. Now when we try to run the code, now here hello, hello, hello has been printed, and after 6 times it got stopped. What is happening here? Here is, so after every half second it is running. So 3000 after 3 seconds, that means 3000 divided by 5, so 6. So after 6 times printed, this set timeout function executed, and it has cleared the interval, and it has cancelled this set interval. So this is how you can use set interval and the set timeout functions in the JavaScript. So you can have set interval, you can have built-in inside this one also, you can have set timeout, and inside this one you can have set interval. So you can have multiple built-in methods inside this interval also. So this could be very useful when you are using some animations thing and all those things. So in order to run the code repeatedly and all those things, it will be very useful. This is the set time interval and the set timeout. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.